Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to talk with you about our lawn and health program with insect protection. A lot of people ask us, well, I already have a pest control company, so doesn't that mean that I don't really need to add in the insect protection for my lawn? And the answer is, well, actually, what we do complements what your pest control company is doing very, very well. What your pest control company is doing is protecting the people inside the home, and they're protecting them against the various bugs and insects from coming into the home with the perimeter pest control. What we are doing is protecting your lawn from damage, and that damage can come from grubs, it can come from chinch bugs, and also from fire ants. So what we're actually allowing you to do is to be able to enjoy your lawn and your landscape just like you're able to enjoy your home. So between us, between what your pest control company is doing and what we do, gives you a complete pest control protection program. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also send them on to your friends and family. This is Kent with Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.